Decorating your home doesn't have to be overwhelming or expensive. It's all about making smart, practical choices that transform your space into a functional and inviting haven. Whether you're looking to maximize a small room, add a personal touch, or refresh your decor on a budget, simple ideas can make a big difference. The best part? These tips are easy to implement and perfect for any home. In this video, we will explore 12 practical decorating ideas to help you create a beautiful and organized living space effortlessly. 1. Multifunctional furniture. Choose furniture that does more than one job to maximize space and utility in your home. A sofa bed is perfect for small spaces, serving as seating by day and a bed at night. Storage ottomans provide a place to sit or rest your feet while hiding clutter inside. Folding dining tables, or extendable ones, are ideal for hosting guests while saving room during daily use. Consider beds with drawers underneath, or desks with shelves for extra storage. These options not only save space, but also reduce the need for excess furniture, making your home look neat and organized. 2. Declutter regularly. Keeping your home clutter-free creates a sense of calm and order. Regularly go through your belongings and decide what to keep, donate, or discard. Use decorative baskets or storage boxes to organize essential items while maintaining a tidy appearance. Labeling boxes can also help find things easily. A clutter-free space feels more spacious, and cleaning becomes easier. Donate or sell items you haven't used in a year to avoid unnecessary hoarding. Decluttering not only refreshes your home, but also helps you maintain focus and reduces the stress of living in a disorganized environment. 3. Mirrors for space. Mirrors are a simple and effective way to make a room look larger and brighter. Place a large mirror opposite a window to reflect natural light, instantly brightening up the space. For narrow hallways or small rooms, use tall or wide mirrors to create the illusion of depth. Decorative mirrors can double as wall art, adding elegance to your decor. Mirrors with unique frames can act as statement pieces, enhancing the overall aesthetic. By strategically placing mirrors, you can transform even the smallest spaces into open, inviting areas without expensive renovations or additions. 4. Neutral colors. Neutral tones like beige, white, or soft grays provide a versatile backdrop for any room. These colors make spaces appear larger, calmer, and easier to decorate. You can add pops of color through accessories like throw pillows, rugs, or artwork, which are easier to replace than furniture or wall paint. Neutral walls and furniture allow you to change the room's theme seasonally or when trends evolve. They also complement natural lighting, giving your home a timeless, sophisticated look. Using neutral colors ensures your space feels cohesive and balanced, regardless of your decorating style. 5. Smart lighting. Lighting can transform the mood and functionality of your home. Install dimmable lights to adjust brightness for various activities, like bright for reading or dim for relaxing evenings. Smart lighting systems, controlled via apps or voice commands, let you change colors and intensity easily. Use warm lights for cozy settings and white lights for productivity. Strategically place table lamps, floor lamps, or pendant lights to highlight specific areas. Under-cabinet lighting in kitchens or motion sensor lights in hallways are practical options. Smart lighting not only enhances ambience, but also helps save energy with efficient bulbs and timers. 6. Wall shelves. Wall-mounted shelves are a practical and stylish way to maximize storage while saving floor space. Use them to display books, plants, or decorative items. Floating shelves create a clean, modern look and can be arranged in various patterns to suit your style. For small rooms, install shelves above doorways or near the ceiling to utilize unused areas. In kitchens, wall shelves can hold spices or utensils, freeing up counter space. They're also perfect for showcasing personal items like family photos or souvenirs. Wall shelves keep your home organized while adding character and functionality to your walls. 7. Rugs for zones. Rugs are a simple way to define spaces, especially in open-plan homes. Use them to separate the living area from the dining space or create a cozy reading nook. Choose rugs that complement the room's color scheme and furniture. For a layered look, place smaller rugs over larger neutral ones. Rugs also add warmth and comfort, especially on hardwood or tiled floors. They come in various textures and patterns, allowing you to experiment with your decor. A well-placed rug not only enhances the aesthetic, but also helps protect your flooring from wear and tear. 8. DIY art. Creating your own art is a budget-friendly way to personalize your space. Use materials like canvas, paint, or even recycled items to craft unique pieces. Frame your children's artwork or photographs to add sentimental value. Pinterest and YouTube offer endless DIY art ideas for inspiration. Collages, wall hangings, or abstract paintings can elevate your decor while reflecting your personality. DIY projects also allow you to match colors and themes precisely to your room. Not only does DIY art save money, but it also makes your space feel truly one-of-a-kind and meaningful. 9. Repurpose items. Repurposing old items is an eco-friendly and creative way to decorate your home. Turn mason jars into flower vases or candle holders. Old wooden crates can become storage units, bookshelves, or even coffee tables. Repaint or repolster old furniture to give it a fresh, modern look. Wine bottles can be transformed into decorative lighting with fairy lights inside. Repurposing reduces waste and adds a touch of uniqueness to your decor. These small projects are often fun and rewarding, allowing you to personalize your home while staying environmentally conscious. 10. Corners are often overlooked but can be turned into functional and stylish spaces. Install corner shelves to display books, plants, or decor items. A small desk or chair can create a cozy reading or workspace. In bedrooms, corner wardrobes or storage units help maximize space. Corner wall art. Conclusion. Incorporating practical decorating ideas into your home doesn't just enhance its beauty. It creates a functional, organized, and personalized space that reflects your style. From choosing multifunctional furniture to repurposing items and utilizing overlooked corners, these ideas prove that small changes can make a big difference. The best part is that most of these tips are budget-friendly and easy to implement, making home improvement accessible to everyone. Remember, a well-decorated home isn't about extravagance, but about thoughtful choices that balance aesthetics and utility. Now it's your turn to bring these ideas to life and create the home of your dreams. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.